Hello everyone, this is May 4, 2021. I am now trading the pound yen, and as you see, I already put a few sells in the trade, and I am now losing. But you can see that my expectation at first I put over here at the 151 273, and then it went up. I put another sell. It went up again. I put another sell, and then the last one is just before this resistance area. Okay, you can see here a cluster of candles. I put here another sell here. As you can see, it's moving very fast around here. It would either go up and hit all my stop loss, or it will go back down and give me a profit. So right now we're just watching and seeing if this will work. Okay, so right now I'm just checking all these uh, other things. So yeah, that's the plan for now. I hope we can watch and you can see if it goes well. If not, then we lose a big amount. I think we're a bit heavy when I came in. Let me set this up to get trading view. And let me set this up. Give me a moment. Let me hold on. There you go. Okay, let's look at trading view. This is my scenario. Right now I'm looking at these two things, two probabilities. um, this is the 55 EMA, so it's going up. My expectation is it wants, because it made a few red candles, down candles, bear candles, and went up again. But I'm trying to see if it will try to go back to the 55. So this yellow line here is the 55. More likely, if it goes up, it will try to meet that 55 before going up. So because it crossed already this 200 area, went straight up, and as you can see, okay, there are a few resistance areas here. Okay, let me just put in. Okay, so that's a resistance area there. It reached that, went down, but it might, and then went up again. I'm thinking it will either go up straight or go down to test this area here. So I'm still hopeful that it will test this area right here before it goes up, or it might test this area, go up and then go down. So these are two scenarios that I'm looking at the British pound. Okay, let's go back now to the, so I'm using the 30-minute chart here in FBS. So I think it's, yeah, there's a downward pressure here right now. I'm hoping it will go down. Let's see our Fibonacci. Okay, because from here, from the top, it went down and went back to test the 61.8. So this is yeah, so it can also go up to the 75. So it tried to go up to the 75, went down. So it's now in between 61 and the 50. I'm banking on this this support level here. It's like a demand area. Let me just change the color of this rectangle so that we can see. Okay, I'll put another rectangle here because this is where the demand is. Okay, so now it's a waiting game. We'll be waiting for a while. Yeah, let's see the other. Okay, this is pound USD. Euro USD went down. Oh, also gold went down. Okay. So I'm hoping we can get a good run. So this is my backup plan. If it goes down, so if it goes down up to 38.2 or the 23.6 in the Fibonacci, if it gets a break even a number here, so now it's negative 37. Okay, if it gets to a break even number, then we can close it all. So at least we are safe. We did not lose, we did not gain, or we did not lose anything. But right now we are losing $38, $39. And let's see how this plays out. Oh, I deleted the, okay, this is my area. So right now it's sitting on the 55 EMA. Okay, so basically it's an uptrend. it went down. I was thinking it would still go down and reverse it, but there was also a big area here that is a support. Okay, if we look at the weekly chart, let me go to the daily. Maybe let's do 4 hours. Okay, you can see a few of the lines here. So it went down until it here went up a bit, tested it again, then went back up. Yeah, so it's basically an uptrend. So I think we made a mistake. Okay, in the 4-hour chart, it's basically an uptrend. Okay, I did not see this. This was my mistake. Okay. Okay, I'm just looking at the, let's look at the daily. Okay, it's still up. So this is the 55, the orange one. This is the 200. So basically, yeah, we are still up. Okay. Okay, let me can I pause this? Thinking how to pause the recording so that I can update you guys in a while. Let me go back to the 30. Oh, I think it's still going up. Yeah, it reached already the 75. My hopes are it does not go above this one, this candle. Still hopeful. Let me just put it up a little bit higher because the spread is around 5 pips. So 5 pips of this candle is about here. So I need to put it above the 5 pips spread. So these are my stop loss over here. Okay, so if it's here, 5 pip spread is here. So I'll give it about a few, yeah, another 4 pips above it. Yeah, I'm thinking it's going to hit this stop loss. It will stop us out. So if we get stopped out, that means we lost. Well, $50, 50 or 60. That will be 10% from the one trade. So I'm still hopeful it will go down. If you see the RSI, it's still down here. Let's see the RSI in other time frames. This is now the 5-minute. So we're just barely overbought. If you look at the 1 minute, see how interesting this. It's here in the overbought. Okay, so I'll put this area here is overbought. It went higher and it's here in the line a little bit overbought. Went higher and then now it's not in the overbought area. Went higher, it's not above the overbought. Then went down, down, up again higher than this one, but it did not go over this area in the overbought. So I'm still hoping that it lost its power. So in the 1 minute it was going up, but it's diverging in the RSI. It means it's losing its power on the upside. Hopefully the bears can pick that up and bring it down. Let's see the 5-minute. Yeah, the 5-minute is still on the top. It's not basically overbought. So it's struggling like this here, struggling to make a smooth upward gain. But I'm still worried it will go up and then go down. So not really sure. 15 minutes. Yeah, the 15 when it went down, it was already oversold. So this was our mistake. My mistake actually. So oversold, going back up. So when it went down here, it went back up. I was thinking it will continue down. I just retested here and then went back up. I put another sell here because of this small resistance. I still went up. Then I had this area, this small resistance. I put another one up, and then it went here. I was thinking it would really go down because of this here, and it's hit the 200 moving the average, but it still went up and is testing the highs of this. Interesting. Okay, let's wait for a while. So now we're just in the waiting game to see what's happening. So this is the 30-minute candle. It's still in Bangkok. It's 10:35. So the next candle if this one, okay, for 30 minutes, let's see how this behaves. Oh, this is 15, 30 here. Let's see how this behaves. So the last 30 was an up candle, but it was only the size of 21 pips. So basically these ones are 30, 34. This one lost a bit of steam, so it's just 20. So now this one is going down with the 8 pips candle. So let's see for the rest of the day. If it doesn't hit our stop loss, it might go like this, the same way as it did at the beginning of the day. Okay, it might go like this. If not, it will go down somewhere, hopefully by the 30%. Let's see what's happening with pound US, and this is the euro USD, and this is the gold. I put some trades in another broker. It's here in euro US. I put a sell, so now it went down, but now it went back up. So that's what happened to that. We'll see. Okay, nothing so interesting. It's just slow, so we're in a waiting game right now. I will share this recording once it's done so that you can see the thought process. Yeah, so my thought process was basically it went down, then going back up. I was thinking it would continue, but I did not look at the fact that there was a big support here. So this was my mistake. If in the 4 hours, let's check the time in the okay, this is market watch here. If you see the 4 hour is every 4, so 4 8 12 16, so it's already almost, it's about 2 hours and 30 minutes into the 4 hours. So there's still one more hour for this candle to finish. So if this candle doesn't go above in this next one, in 1 hour and 20 minutes, it might stall and go back down. Okay, that is for the 4 hour. I'm trying to see what the 4 hour will do. So that is my analysis at the moment. Let's see, trading view. Yeah, this is the weekly chart. So went up, there's a small resistance right over here. If you look at my my technicals, if the technicals say sell, then it will go down, but the technicals are still buy. So if you see the performance, last week was down 21%, 0.21%. In the 1 month is 0.41%. So this is a week, 1 2 3 4. So that's 1 month. And then the next month is this. So it went down. So if you see the technicals here, our day is still a strong buy. If we go to the 4 hours, it's still, yeah, actually a buy. A while ago it was sell, so that's why I made a sell, but it went back to buy. So it looks like everything right now is in a buy. So we're actually upside down, except for the 1 minute. It's going down. 5 minutes is still buy. Okay, let's see how that plays. So I'm just watching the 30-minute. Now my mistake was, I thought if the technicals were saying buy, when it went down here, I should have put buys over here. See, I could have got around 64 pips. Okay, something we learned today. I learned actually something I learned today. So maybe you caught it before I did, but my mistake was, I was really thinking. So sometimes when you see a strong sell here, because if you look at the 15, I was under the 200 moving average. Shorter time frames, but in the higher time frames I was not even under the 55. Actually, I just touched the 55 and then it went back up. Yeah, it touched the 55, went up, went down to the 55. Interesting. Maybe I should just look at the 4 hours. Yeah, if I stay in the 4 hours, maybe I could get a better decision. I was staying in the 30-minute, looking down, because short term, I was planning to do short term trading, but somehow it just dragged me up. So now I'm in the 4 hours. Let me just take out these, just keep the pound yen here. This is so that I can keep with the broker time. Let's measure. So this is now 10 pips range. The other one is, this is 22, 21, 22 pips. So it's getting smaller unless it was a shoot up and hit the stop loss. Okay, while waiting for that, let me just explain a little bit. For those of you who are new to Forex, so right now I made a sell using a volume of 0.04 lots. Okay, so the lot size, so if this was the smallest amount of lot size is 0.01, 0.01. Okay, that so every movement of a pip is equivalent to 10 cents. So right now it's 0.04. Each move is 40 cents. So right now you can see the amount of dollars, about how many pips I made. So if I change the profit into points, you'll see I'm negative 41 points, or 41 pips. 420 points or 42 pips. You just take the last letter out. Okay, so I'm negative 43 pips. That is equivalent to negative $15. So in order for me to, so the technique here is, in order for me to get back to break even, these candles must go down at least half. 1, 2, 3, 4 of these 4. If I can go down at least half of these, I will close all of them and make a zero profit. That means I did not lose anything, I did not gain anything, but I saved my money. The only thing I did was pay commissions. So each commission, so the market will take 5 pips, 4.2 to 5 pips. So in this in this volume I have 0.04 lots, so that means I'm taking so that's 40 cents, so 40 40 80 120 150, so that will be $1.50 commission from the spread. Okay, so that's $1.50. So each time I'm putting in a trade with this volume, it is $1.50. So in order for me to make a profit, I must have, so now I have 4 of these trades, so it costs, so the 150 times 4 is $6. So I'll be paying $6, so I have to be able to make a break even plus $6 to make it 0 so that I won't lose anything. Okay, so that's just what I can explain. If in order for me to show it, we'll just have to see if it works. If not, then we lose the $6 plus the loss. So right now I might lose around $100, my guess. I'm trying to see what's the probability of having it come down. My only probability is the 1-minute chart, which is not really helping because right now it's just stagnant. Okay, it's not even going up or down, it's just staying in this area. If there's a slow move up, slow move up like this, usually with a slow move up like this, then it will drop. Okay, if it was a slow move moving down like that, then it will go up, continue to go up. But if it's a slow moving upwards, then there's a possibility it will drop. Okay, this example is, if you look here, there's a slow moving up, and then it just dropped. Okay, slow moving up, then drop. Okay, this one was just a slow sideways. Actually, from yesterday, that's why I predicted, I put a buy of this a while ago. So I put a buy here, then it just dropped. So from yesterday, it was doing a slow down, and then it started shooting up, but it went down right away and then started slow going up. Okay, so this was another trade that I made a mistake because it just dropped When it dropped here, then I put another sell. It dropped there. I was able to make back my money. Okay, but after the drop here, it started going up. Tried to retest it. I did not close. Then it just went back. It just went up, 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 way back up to this area. So right now it's sitting here. Yeah, if in the 5 minutes it's just going slowly like this. That's why I'm hoping it will go down. So this is only to justify my reasoning. But as you know, it's still an uptrend in the 4 hours. So I really can't be for sure that it will go back down, because it's really following the uptrend. So it's a mistake already. So my goal is to at least go break even, so that I won't lose like anything big. But that's just me. Hopefully it follows. So the euro US dollar. Okay, so it had a big drop, went back up, and then went down. So this follows the natural pattern. Okay, slowly going up, drop, slowly went up, drop. So this is what I was hoping for in the pound yen, but it did not happen. Now I'm not taking I'm not taking it in this broker because I use the pound yen. So I have already a lot of trades here. I don't want to mix up, so I use another broker to trade the dollars. Maybe let me show you that one. Show you that setup. Let me set that up here. Okay, so I'm showing you this one. This is C Trader from IC Markets. Okay, what I did for the Euro USD is it went down, went up a little bit, so I made a sell here. Then it went up, I made 2 sells here. Went up again, I made sell. Went down, but it went up, then I made one more sell. So at the moment, 1 2 3 4 5, I have 5 sells at the moment, and then it dropped. So it dropped all the way down, went back up, then went up, then now it's going down. So the good thing with C Trader, it has some pre-analysis. So this one is from Trading Central, as you can see here. So it will tell you suggested targets. Now it's not 100% correct, so many times if I follow the target, many times it's also wrong. It goes the other way. They also have auto chartist. Okay, a lot of indicators that say it's going down, a lot of indicators saying it's going up, so you can't really trust it. So like this one, it was saying it was going to go up, but obviously it went down. Let's see the latest one. The latest one is here in the top. So right now, because of the channel, okay, so yeah, this is their prediction that the channel, it will follow, it will go down. Okay, so this is their prediction in the 15-minute candle. So right now it went up and then went down. So they're expecting actually from this candle to go down from the time they're expecting it to go down. Let's look at another one. Yeah, this one is also down 1 hour. It went up. See, it went up here, went down. Oh yeah, it's this one. Okay, this one, this is the up and a little down. Okay, they're expecting it to go down, but did not happen yet. Went the opposite. Okay, this one was already finished. Expected to go down, hit the target, went back up, went down again. So these are some of the things, some of the analysis from CTrader. So you can also check that out. Okay, let's go back to FBS. So now it's killing us. It's going up. Okay, slowly going up. You can see it's slowly going up. Because it's slowly going up, I'm still hopeful it will drop. Yeah, but it doesn't look good for us. I think it will not drop. Yeah, it looks like it's just continuing. Okay, anyway guys, it's already like 11:30 here at Bangkok, or 11 o'clock I mean. So it's time for me to sleep. I have work tomorrow. I'll update you tomorrow and see how this goes. If we took the loss or if we are successful in having that drop. Okay, so you can also check your charts, see if it's working, and then I'll see you in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching and bye guys.